Hey guys, Kelly Fab here, and today we are going to restart the Advent Calendar Project Pan. There are a ton of products in here. I don't even remember what is in here because I loaded this in September probably of 2021, so it has been a hot minute since I've looked at these. I know that there are items in some, I think most of them actually have small little foil packet items that I wanted to use up this year. So my plan is to every single month pull 2 drawers. So now it is already February. I meant to start this before, but I am going to pull 4 drawers and I'm also going to spin the wheel. So my plan for the wheel is I have all of these bigger size samples here. They're all in like foil packets, single uses, like 3 uses, stuff like that kind of packets. And these don't fit in my advent calendar. So the plan for these is to pull a number. I have my Tiny Decisions app on my phone that I already put some categories in. So I have pull whatever number, I think pick 1 through 4 of these each month. So I'll have to do it twice this time. And then I have 1 full-size makeup product and 1 full-size skincare product. I do want to continue working on my full sizes and I want to be able to pick which ones. So this one will be a very random, it'll be like a pick and draw. But the full-size items will be items that I am going to actually go through my collection and see what I want to start using. Maybe not necessarily to use up. Skincare will probably be to use up. But makeup will probably just be to use a certain number of times just so I can keep rotating through my collection. So let's get going on pulling 4 of these drawers. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This is gonna be a lot, you guys. Man, there are tons of products in here. Drawer number 1 has like 5 items in it. Oh my goodness. Oh, and I have perfume samples too. Okay, so I have 2 perfume samples. These are from Ed Hardy. These are the Skulls and Roses. I might have used one of them once, or maybe it just wasn't completely full. I do like that scent, however, I don't love that scent. All right, let's see. Oh my gosh, I really shoved these foil packets in there. Gosh. Okay, so we have, I believe these are, oh, they're all different. So I have the IT Cosmetics Secret Sauce, which I know I like. It's a bit creamy, so I might use it at night. And then this is the IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream. So that'll definitely be a night cream, as well as the Confidence in an Eye Cream. So I think I'm going to use all of these at night. However, the Secret Sauce, I do believe I can get away with that in the daytime. So 3 little samples here. I'm pretty sure it all came in like 1 kit, but the eye cream is the one that's going to take a long time, especially because I'm working on 2 other eye creams. That's okay. We're just going to truck through these and yeah, get them done. So I need a little basket now. Let me go get a basket. So all the items that I have in use are going to go in here for my advent calendar. I'm a little nervous, I am not gonna lie to you. Drawer number 2, I can see that it is literally shoved full and I can barely get it out. Oh, there's just one thing in here. Thank the good Lord. Okay, I was worried. So this one thing is the Clarins Shaping Facial Lift Total V Contouring Serum. I don't have a serum in my routine right now, but I definitely need one, so just one of those. Put that in my bin. Now we're gonna go to my Tiny Decisions app and we are going to look up what the month of January is going to hold for us. So my extras are pick 1 through 4, 2 perfume samples, 1 brand new item. I have a brand new item bin right behind me, a full-size skincare item, and a full-size makeup item. So I'll let you guys see it first. 2 perfume samples, and of course I got 2 perfume samples, plus I'm working on Toca Florence in my deck of panning. So All right, I'm gonna go grab 2 perfume samples after I keep drawing. So Just can't win, can I? All right, drawer number 3 has 2 perfume samples in it. Let me just pull those out. We're gonna be working on lots of perfume. It's okay, I can get through these samples pretty quickly. So we have the Kat Von D Saint and Sinner perfume samples. I do really enjoy these actually. I like the Saint a little bit more than the Sinner, but when you mix them together, it is magical. I don't believe they sell these anymore, so I definitely need to get those out of my collection. Also, the only other thing left in the number 3 drawer was the Dermalogica Intensive Moisture Balance. I think it's just a moisturizer. So it says you can use it day or night. It feels pretty thick, so I'm not sure about how I feel about that one, but it's just a moisturizer. I moisturize every single day, so it shouldn't be too hard to use that one up. All right, drawer number 4, you guys, is a pretty big one here. Oh, I just broke it off. That's what I get. Also, there's 2 perfume samples in there. Oh my goodness. Well, maybe I should re-roll because this is a lot of perfume samples to try to get through. I think I'm gonna re-roll for January simply because I have 6 perfume samples from 4 different drawers. So I think I'm gonna re-roll that just to keep things going, because if I just have perfume to use up, it's gonna take me a long time. So the 2 perfume samples I have here though are the Michael Kors Wonderlust and Clinique Happy, like the original Clinique Happy. So 2 perfume samples there. So that's 6 total. And then how many packets of this stuff? Okay, we only have 2 packets in here, so that's good. They're both from Shiseido. I must have like organized things like as far as like wanting to use things together. So this is the Essential Energy Moisturizing Cream. I have a high probability that there's gonna be a lot of moisturizers in this advent calendar. Also the Shiseido Benefits, I don't know, Wrinkle Resist 24 for eyes. This is an eye cream. Oh my goodness, that's an eye cream. Okay, so that's happening. And now I need to officially fix this drawer because it is broken. That happened to me with drawer number 1 2 years ago, and I finally had fixed it, and now I gotta fix another one. So a little annoying, but we're gonna roll with it, you guys. We're gonna roll with it. But we are gonna pick something else besides 2 perfume samples. So clearly I want to use up my perfume this year, or most of it, at least the samples. So let's get a new category. Okay, I have pick 3. That's gonna be a lot. It's okay. These are supposed to be for 2 months, so I'm gonna pick 3 things out of here. Ooh, there's a little. Oh, thank goodness. This is the Mamad Lip Sleeping Mask. Just a little teeny tiny guy, which I'm very thankful for. Let's grab something else. Okay. This is the Grown Alchemist Biological Beauty Hydro Repair Day Cream. Another moisturizer. I knew it would be like this, which is why I want to get through a lot of these samples. I want to get like a big paper thing. Is this another moisturizer? Okay. This is a serum. So 2 little serums. I can definitely get through that in a month. This is the L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Derm Intensive 1.5% pure hyaluronic acid serum. I do very well, or my skin does very well with hyaluronic acid. So that is what she looks like. So this will be my other item for my pick 3. Now I have to pick a new one for February because that was my new one for January. And all the categories can repeat. I don't have it set to not repeat. Oh my god. Full-size makeup item. I was not ready for this, clearly. I had lipstick on my teeth, but I got a full-size makeup item. I was not ready for that. Oh, now I'm stressed out. So let me go and pick something to use. I don't even know what I'm gonna do. Okay, I think this was actually a little bit easier. I went through my drawer of things that I'm trying to use up anyways. So this has been used already. There is some left. However, I do need to finish this out because it is pretty old. This is the Essence Make Me Brow Eyebrow Gel Mascara. And it is in the shade 02 Soft Brownie Brows. And I do like this one to lighten up my brow color when I use a eyebrow pencil or an eyebrow pencil. It's a little bit too dark. This does a nice job of lightening it. It does have the little fibers in it and it is pretty darn small. So I definitely think I can use this up if I do my brows every day within a month. So this is going to be my full size makeup item. I know it's kind of cheating because it's already almost gone, but I want to be able to kind of use this project as like a turn and burn type of project to kind of get a bunch of items out of my collection that maybe aren't necessarily in my like itemized inventory, but just to move them around and move them out. So that was everything for my intro to the advent calendar slash sample project pan slash advent calendar project pan project. I think this is going to go really, really well if I just keep things in rotation and keep using them up. And every month, regardless or not, if I use up items or still have everything from the previous month, I am still going to pull 2 more drawers because if I don't, then I'll never be able to go through the whole calendar. And I loaded that last year and it definitely, like everything that's in there, definitely needs to get used. So that is the plan. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you stick around for more videos to come. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.